It's crazy, man. Look at this cat. And these kittens over here, man. All of them's just I'm feeding them the original catnip. And all they want to do is just suck up and lick my toes. Want some more, Charlie? I'll give you some more. Your tobacco, y'all loving it. Come here, buddy. Man, look at this. It's about to go wild. Watch. No, do not start trying to do the camera. Do you not like? That is funny. Come on, buddy. Wrap it up. Like literally, she's already wetted my pants leg. It's okay. That's a good kitty. And this right here's trying to escape, I guess, the world or something. Look at him. Real, fight. Come on, fight. They're looking at me. Ooh. No. He's died. The other one's grabbing his tail while he's trying to doo-doo. That's just funny. The black one's just over here chilling, and here comes up the attacker. He's going to attack the black one's tail, too. Look at him. He's so funny. Then the other one's still over there trying to crap. And Mama still rubbing. He's a crazy one. Here they go again. Golly bum. Wow. Wow. Now they're looking at me. Watch this. Get him. Get him. Wow. There he goes fighting again. There's just crazy cats out here. Look at this one. Shake my hand, buddy. Come on, come on. Yeah, look, that's how bad it's just been rubbing. Now look at this. It's a crazy kittens. He won. The tail grabber won.